Is Popsty.com a total scam or just another risky online store? If you've seen their ads all over Instagram and TikTok, you're not alone. Popsty.com has been everywhere lately with deals that honestly look way too good to be true. So, let's get real. Based on what I've seen from actual consumers this year, Popsty.com is flashing some serious red flags. First, there are tons of complaints on sites like Trustpilot and the BBB Scam Tracker. People are saying they paid for items and either never got them, or what showed up was nothing like the pictures. Think scratchy microfiber instead of soft cotton. Tracking numbers? Don't get your hopes up. Way too many users report that their tracking info just doesn't work, or shows zero movement. That's a classic move in dropshipping scams, where the seller pretends to ship but never actually does. And if you try to get your money back? Good luck. Customer service is practically a ghost town, and refunds are rare. Some shoppers only got their money back after opening disputes with PayPal or their banks. Here's the thing. Popsty loves to advertise with flashy stolen images, making everything look higher quality than it is. If you see that, run. So how do you protect yourself? First, always check that URL. Make sure it's secure with an HTTPS. Next, look for real contact details. If all you see is a generic form, that's a red flag. You can even use tools like Scam Advisor to check how new the site is and who owns it. Hidden details mean higher risk. And please, always pay with a credit card or PayPal, not wire transfer. That way, you've got some backup if things go sideways. If you've already ordered and something feels off, call your bank ASAP and ask about a chargeback.